this young superstar is going to be one of the most exciting, most talked about superstars to ever appear here in the WWE.
Fast action here from Sin Cara, the mystifying and exhilarating international superstar.
These people here love him, and I actually got a little bit of something for Sin Cara myself.
I've never seen anything like this before. Sin Cara, how impressive was that?
This kid is unbelievable.